Lesson 3. Links and Images. Always keep in mind that a link is an essential address that tells a viewer's browser what page to go when the viewer clicks the text or image containing the link. To insert a link, you must specify an image or text. You must also specify the link location to which you want to send your visitors. The link can go to a page within your site or to a page elsewhere on the web. Relative links. Linking from one page to another page in your website, known as a relative or internal link, is easy. The most important thing to remember is to save your pages in the folders that you want to keep them before you start setting links. Make sure that all your files are in the root folder. To create a relative link, open the page where you would like to insert a link. Select the text, picture, or object that you would like to link. Right-click on the text or picture, then select Make Link. Click on the OK button once you have selected the button you would like to link. You will notice that the text will change and acquire the settings that you have set in the page properties. When you run it in a browser, this will be the output. You will notice that if you click the home page link, it will go to a different browser. Anchors. If you like to create long pages, using anchor links to break up navigation within the page is a good idea. A name anchor link, often called a jump link, enables you to set a link to a specific part of a web page. You can use a name anchor to link from an image or text string on one page to another place on the same page, or to link from one page to a specific part of a different page. To create a name anchor link, you first insert a name anchor in the place you want to link to, and then use that anchor to direct the browser to that specific part of the page when a viewer follows the link. To insert an anchor, open the web page you would like to insert an anchor on. Place the cursor next to the text you would like to link on your page. Click on Insert and then Name Anchor. Type in the anchor name and click OK. You will see a small anchor icon beside the text. To set a link to the name anchor location, select the text or image that you want to link from. While the text is selected, type in the Properties Inspector the name of the anchor. The selected text will transform, and once you click on it, it will link to the anchor. If you run it in a browser, the output will be like this. If you click the link Step 2, creating your web pages, it will go to a different browser where you link it. Creating an external link. Linking to a page on another website called an external link is easier than linking to an internal link. All you need is the URL of the page to which you want to link. To create an external link, open your web page where you would like to place your external link to another page. Select the text or image you would like to act as a link. In the link text box, type in the URL of the web page you want your text or image will link to. You will see that the text you selected will change into a link just like the first two links you have made. You will notice that after you click the link yahoo.com in the browser, it will go to the official home page of Yahoo. Inserting images. Aside from entering text, manipulating images on a web page is probably the most common Dreamweaver function you can perform. You can add and delete an image and modify its properties to create an aesthetically pleasing layout that effectively conveys the information you want to deliver to the user. To insert an image, open your web page you would like to insert the image in and click on the location where it will be inserted. Click on the Insert menu and then Image. Select the image you would like to insert and click OK. The Image Tag Accessibility Attributes dialog box window will appear. You can just click OK and supply it later on. The image will be inserted depending on its attributes. You can resize it and edit it with the options in the Properties Inspector. Image Maps. Image maps are popular on the web because they enable you to create hotspots in an image and link them to different URLs. A common use of an image map is a geographic map, such as a map of the United States, which links to different locations depending on the section of the map selected. Dreamweaver makes the creating of image maps easy by providing a set of simple drawing tools that enables you to create hotspots under corresponding links. Place the image which you would like to use as an image map on the web page. Make sure that you have selected the image. At the bottom left part of the Properties Inspector, select the image map tool you would like to use to draw your hotspot. With the shape tool that you have selected, click and drag over the part of the image where you would like to place the hotspot. You can choose from rectangular. As you click and drag, a light blue highlight appears around the region that you are making a hotspot. If you need to reposition the hot area, select the Pointer Hotspot tool, black arrow from the lower left corner of the Properties Inspector, and then select and move the region to the location you want. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging any of its corners. Circle. The Circle tool marks which, like the Rectangle tool, just click and add. To resize a circle hotspot, select the Pointer Hotspot tool and click and drag one of the small square boxes on its edges. The Polygon tool functions a little bit different. To make a polygon selection, you click the tool once for each point of the polygon shape you want to draw. The shape automatically connects the points as you click. When you are done, switch to another map tool or click outside the image. To link your map to a web page, click on the Browser for File icon beside the list text box and select the file. After choosing the web page, click on OK. If you text your web page, you will not see the image map. You will just notice once you place your mouse over it. Your pointer will change in appearance. That would be all for lesson 3. Thank you.